Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me and coming along on this crazy ride. Thank you again, Dougie. Oh my God, guys, finally. I felt like I was letting you all down. This is my 5th week into my weight loss journey, and it's been very, very bad the last 3 weeks. Finally, my weight went down. This is the 5th week of my weight loss journey to lose 94 pounds, and today is weigh-in day. And today is a very special day. What makes today special? Well, there are 3 reasons. You make it special because without you, I have no reason for this channel. I created this channel to share with you the struggles and the ups and downs of weight loss for the average person. I'm definitely not a fitness model, as you can see. I'm not some ripped dude telling you what to do. It's just me doing a journey with you, just us. Second reason why it's special today, this channel officially surpassed 100 subscribers. I know, 100 is tiny on YouTube, but I am so thankful. When I started the channel 7 weeks ago, I was pretty much talking to myself. Up to the 5th week of the channel, or 3rd week into my weight loss journey, this channel had about 15 to 20 subscribers, and half of those subscribers were people I knew in my life. In the last 2 weeks, the channel went from 20-ish subscribers to 131 total subscribers as of this morning, October 29th, 2022. So thank you so much, and I'm glad that each and every one of you have joined. And third reason why it's special today, finally today it's a special day because after starting off with a big bang of losing 10.1 pounds my first week, and then subsequent weeks 2, 3, and 4, I either stayed the same or gained weight. I was feeling deflated and was thinking I should quit the channel for a million reasons. The biggest reason why I wanted to quit was simply the embarrassment of not being able to lose weight for you and myself over the last 3 weeks. So are you ready? How much did I lose? I lost, drum roll, I weighed 246 pounds this week and lost 0.7 pounds. Okay, if you're new here, you're probably like, 0.7 pounds isn't anything, and why is this dude celebrating? I get it. It doesn't sound like much, right? Well, I'll tell you, compared to losing 10.1 pounds on week 1 versus this week's 0.7 pounds, I feel so much better and thankful. So thankful that I kissed Dougie for the first time. Who's Dougie? That's my scale. Dougie and I have a love-hate relationship. It's complicated. So yeah, 0.7 pounds is worth celebrating, and it feels so good. It feels Chuck Mangione kind of feels so good. For those of you who are not familiar with Chuck Mangione, and due to copyright issues, I can't play Chuck Mangione's Feels So Good song, so I put a link in the description below. Okay, so let's take a look at the breakdown of the last 5 weeks of my weight loss journey to lose 94 pounds. Week 1, I lost 10.1 pounds, where I weighed in at 244.6 pounds, down from my starting weight of 254.7 pounds. Week 2, I lost 0 pounds, and I held a steady weight of 244.6. Week 3, I gained 1.2 pounds, weighing in at 245.8 pounds. That was really tough. Week 4, last week, I gained 0.9 pounds, coming in at 246.7 pounds. Then finally this week, I lost 0.7 pounds, weighing in at 246 pounds. I started off at 254.7 pounds, and now I'm 246 pounds with a total loss of 8.7 pounds after 5 weeks. That comes to 1.74 pounds per week, and I got 86 pounds to go. It's a lot better than 94.7 pounds to go. What made this journey hard was the huge 10.1 pound loss I had the first week. I know many of you are thinking, duh, It was the first week and much of it was water weight. I know. I tell myself that all the time, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't bring you down. It's the reason why I have quit so many times in the past, but I didn't quit. I'm still here. After 3 weeks of making confessions to myself and to all of you that I had gained weight, there wasn't much of a weight loss journey channel. I still have lots of doubts, but today, you and I, we celebrate. We celebrate not for Dougie, but we celebrate life. We celebrate each other. It's fall. This weight loss journey is quickly moving into winter. I'm really glad I started now rather than waiting till the new year. How many of you have started after the new year? How many times have you made a New Year's resolution to lose weight, get healthier? How about you and I make a resolution not to make a New Year's resolution to lose weight in 2023? How about you and I make that resolution right now? If you are new or haven't started on your weight loss journey yet, that's okay. Start when you feel it's right for you, but I hope you start sooner than later. There's nothing that can stop you except yourself. So let's do it. Please subscribe, like, and please say hello or comment in the comment box below. Hit the notification bell since you don't want to miss out on my weekly weigh-ins. I have several videos coming up outside of weigh-in day videos. Plus, I have a major channel announcement coming up as well. So stay tuned. Love yourself, not the scale. Love yourself for you, your family, and friends. See you next time.